The politics over farmers' protests is peaking. Several opposition leaders have made a beeline at Ghazipur border where the farmers are protesting against the farm laws. MPs of Akali Dal, NCP, TMC, DMK and at least 5 other political parties were at the border. These include NCP MP Supriya Sule, DMK MP Kanimodi, Shiromani Akali Dal MP Harsimrat Kaur Badal. The parliamentarians have alleged that the administration did not allow them to meet the protesting farmers. Meanwhile, iron nails were installed at the borders after the Republic Day violence. They are being repositioned at certain spots to avoid inconvenience to the public.
हम संसद में किसान की बात रखने के लिए लड़ाई लड़ते रहेंगे। ये सारी पार्टीज इकट्ठे होके पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स स्पीकर साहब को हम लिखत के अपना ये सारा बताएंगे और उनको बेनती करेंगे कि इन हालातों में भी जे हम अंदर आवाज नहीं उठा सकते तो फिर ये तो देश और दुनिया देखेगी कि किसानों का उधर बेचारों का क्या हाल होगा। जे हमारा ये हाल किया है, किसानों से बातचीत करके बढ़िया कानून लेके आना चाहिए और सरकार या तो ये समझा दे उनकी मजबूरी क्या है कि लाखों किसान देश भर में आंदोलन पे आ गए हैं, क्यों नहीं उनके बात सुनी जा रही। ये किसान का बेटा ही देश की रक्षा करता है बॉर्डर पे। 19 पार्टियों ने ये मांग रखी है, क्यों आप किसी की बात, क्यों, क्या मजबूरी है भाई?
This is completely against human rights. It's a human rights violation and representatives from different parties have come here to actually come and see what this is. We've been seeing it on the television and the press. We wanted to come and see for ourselves. This is appalling, shocking to see that our own people have been barricaded from entering. Is this a way to treat our own people? And you don't allowing us to discuss it in Parliament. We've been requesting the Speaker and the government that we want to discuss the farmers' issue separately, but they're not giving us time.
10টা রাজনৈতিক দল থেকে আমরা এসেছি গাজীপুর বর্ডারে কৃষকদের সাথে কথা বলতে, কিন্তু আমি দেখছি তো এটা একটা জেলখানা বানিয়ে দিয়েছে। ব্যারিকেড আছে, কনসার্টিনা ওয়্যার আছে, ট্রেঞ্চ আছে। পুলিশ বলছে আমরা এগোতে পারবো না। আমরা কৃষকদের সাথে কথা বলতে চাই। এই যে সরকারের মনোভাব, আমরা এটা তীব্র নিন্দা করছি। কৃষকদের আন্দোলনের আমরা সমর্থন করছি এবং আমরা চাই সারা দেশ জানুক যে কি অবস্থার মধ্যে কৃষকরা রয়েছে। ওদের বিদ্যুৎ কেটে দিয়েছে, ইন্টারনেট কেটে দিয়েছে।
Kumar Kunal is reporting from Ghazipur border, getting us up to speed with the very latest. Kumar, what's going on at the moment with all these opposition party parliamentarians going on there to support the farmers? They stand in solidarity. But at the moment, what is going on right there at the border?
They are not being allowed inside the protest site. We are right now standing inside the protest site where the actual protest is happening. All the MPs who visited this Ghazipur border just a few minutes ago, they have been sent back from the barricades which have been put up by the local administration and police. So they are not being allowed so far. So what actually these MPs told us that even if they are not being allowed inside the protest site, how would you imagine that any common man can be allowed towards the protest site where thousands of the farmers are camping for 70 days now, and all these questions they have raised. So there is a clear strategy from the opposition that they will raise the issue inside the parliament as well and outside on the ground as well. So all these MPs have come. They raised their voices, they showed their concern about their democratic rights, that why they are not being allowed inside. So all these things are happening. And one more thing which happened since morning here at Ghazipur border, that all the nails which have been put up at the places to stop the movement of vehicles, especially the tractors, they are being removed. What Delhi police is telling that the nails have been removed as they were damaged, and now still we are not clear that again those nails will be put up at the same place. But what the senior officials are telling India Today, that since the traffic movement is being affected due to those nails, so they are restructuring actually, and they will decide where to put those nails. So all these things are happening. Politically, the temperature is also getting higher, and even on the ground, farmers are quite agitated, and they are telling that why such kind of nails and such kind of futile exercise have been taken place by Delhi police, which needed to be removed within a matter of few days.
Right. Kumar, also if you could tell us which MPs are present right there with the farmers, and what is the conversation like, if you're picking up from your sources what's going on between the farmers and members of the opposition parties?
See, actually, several of the opposition party MPs and leaders, they have already visited this protest site. But today, actually, 15 of the MPs from the different parties like DMK, TMC, Akali Dal, even some of the other parties, they tried to go inside this protest site, and they actually want to take a view of the situation from themselves, and they might raise those issues in the parliament. But they have not been allowed beyond the barricade. There is a 3-layer security at the Ghazipur border after the 26th January incident, and no MPs have been allowed inside the protest site. So actually what is happening, that police is concerned about the law and order situation, also concerned about the volatile situation which is right here at the Ghazipur border. So they are claiming that if so many leaders will visit at once, then it will be difficult to control the situation. So putting that thing into the consideration, those MPs have been returned back from the barricades only. Now, will they be allowed inside the protest site after a few minutes, taking all the views into the consideration? It is still not clear. But right now what we have seen, that they have been turned back, and they have not been allowed inside.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Kumar, for joining us with the latest details right there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.